Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate source for breakthrough tech insights. Today we're diving into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding Samsung's new series of foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, set to replace the current Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. And these next-generation devices are generating a lot of buzz thanks to their groundbreaking upgrades and innovative features that promise to revolutionize the foldable market, according to insider reports. These devices will boast a smoother and more durable hinge mechanism that significantly enhances the experience of opening and closing the phone, making everyday use feel more fluid and robust, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in particular is rumored to nearly eliminate the crease on its display thanks to a new hinge structure combined with flexible glass technology, though the crease might still be slightly visible in certain lighting conditions. Furthermore, both the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are expected to feature larger vapor chambers than their predecessors, a critical upgrade aimed at better controlling overheating during intense use, ensuring the devices remain cool under pressure. And while certain design elements like the pill-shaped speaker and the familiar button placements remain unchanged, these improvements are a clear indication that Samsung is refining the user experience. On the software front, both foldables are currently being tested with the latest Android 15-based One UI 7.1 version, and it's anticipated that the new Galaxy AI features, which are also set to debut in the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, will be integrated into these devices, further enhancing their performance and usability. Another standout specification is the display, as leaks indicate that both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 could achieve a peak brightness level of up to 2600 nits, ensuring an excellent viewing experience even in bright sunlight, making these devices ideal for both indoor and outdoor usage. Production of these highly anticipated foldables is reportedly slated to begin in May 2025, and despite all the advanced upgrades, Samsung has decided to keep the prices of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 in line with those of the previous models, which means enthusiasts can expect all these improvements without a price hike. There's also been some chatter regarding the camera specifications of the Galaxy Z Flip 7, with leaks hinting at new features that will deliver enhanced camera quality, though details remain scarce at this stage. Overall, these rumors suggest that Samsung is taking a more measured, yet innovative approach with its next-generation foldable lineup by focusing on real-world usability improvements such as smoother hinges, reduced display creases, improved thermal management, and brighter displays, all while integrating the latest software innovations with One UI 7.1, making the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 devices highly anticipated among both professional photographers and tech enthusiasts. As we await further official announcements and more detailed specifications, it's clear that Samsung is determined to push the boundaries of what a foldable smartphone can be, and if these features hold true, these devices are set to redefine the premium foldable experience. Thank you for watching this in-depth analysis, and remember to subscribe to TechVerse for all the latest updates on innovative tech products.